Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're doing something a little different. We're taking a really concise piece of source material.
Really concise.
Yeah, just this. Best Gate Referral Code, GATEREFB 2025. That's it.
That's the whole thing.
And our mission really is to see just how much we can unpack from that. You know, the strategy, the logic, all hidden in plain sight, maybe.
It's a great challenge, actually,
Yeah.
because often, the shortest things can tell you a lot if you look closely. We've got the name, Best Gate, a specific code, GATEREFB, and that year, 2025.
Exactly. Seems simple, but let's see.
Let's dig in. Where do you want to start? The name.
Yeah, let's start right there. Best Gate. I mean, that's quite a statement, isn't it?
It really is. Gate implies access, control, maybe entry, but adding best, what does that do? It screams premium, maybe exclusive, top quality.
Right. It sets a really high expectation straight away.
Absolutely. It's a bold branding choice. You're immediately positioning yourself at the top, suggests premium access, maybe high security, definitely a valued pathway.
But does that create pressure, to always be the best?
Oh, definitely.
Yeah.
That's the risk. You set that bar incredibly high if you don't deliver consistently or if a competitor makes a similar claim.
Yeah, you could alienate people who expected, well, the best.
Exactly. So it suggests a very deliberate market positioning, maybe niche, maybe focused on users who really value that perceived superiority.
Okay, that makes sense. So keeping that premium idea in mind, let's pivot to the next part, referral code. What does including that tell us?
Well, referral codes are common, but their presence here, linked with Best Gate, it suggests a specific growth strategy.
More than just advertising, you mean?
Yeah, much more. It points towards growth through trust, through personal recommendations. It's about leveraging existing users.
Like a network effect.
Precisely. It implies they believe their service is good enough that current users will vouch for it. It suggests confidence in their value.
And it probably means they incentivize it somehow.
Almost certainly. Referral codes usually come with benefits for the referrer, the new person, or both. It points to building a kind of engaged community, not just acquiring customers passively. They're encouraging personal endorsement.
Which kind of fits with the best idea, perhaps. Like, it's so good, you'll want to share it.
It could be. Or maybe it's just a cost-effective way to grow. But it definitely points towards leveraging social proof.
Oh, okay, interesting. Now let's get really specific. The code itself, GATEREFB.
Right.
It's not random. You can clearly see gate in there, linking back to Best Gate.
Yes, that's very deliberate. It makes the code memorable, recognizable, reinforces the brand right in the code string.
And the REFB part, what do you make of that?
Well, REF pretty clearly points to referral.
Makes sense.
And the B could be benefit, or maybe best.
Yeah.
Or just part of an internal system identifier. But referral benefit seems quite likely, doesn't it?
It does. It feels structured, like they put thought into making it user-friendly and maybe easy to track internally.
Exactly. It's readable, mnemonic, not just a jumble of characters.
Okay.
That tells you something about their priorities, user experience, brand reinforcement. It probably maps to a specific campaign or offer in their backend system, too.
Okay, so we have the premium name, the referral strategy, the structured code. What about the last piece, the 2025?
The date. That's crucial.
Why include a specific year? What does that signal?
It immediately tells you this code isn't timeless. It has a defined period of relevance. It grounds it.
So it's likely valid for 2025 or until the end of 2025.
Probably active during 2025. It implies this specific code, GATEREFB, is tied to that year's operations or campaigns. It might expire afterwards.
Right, so they might have a GATEREFB 2026 next year.
Exactly. Or a completely different code structure. It suggests planned campaigns, maybe annual cycles. It also allows them to manage offers over time, perhaps changing the benefits associated with the referral from year to year.
Adds a bit of urgency too, maybe. Use it this year.
Could be. It definitely indicates organized management of their promotions. It's not just a free-for-all forever code. It implies a system designed to handle time-sensitive offers.
Wow. Okay, so let's try and pull this all together for you listening. We started with just Best Gate Referral Code, GATEREFB 2025.
Just a handful of words.
And by breaking it down piece by piece, we've sketched out a picture of a system that, well, it seems to position itself as premium.
The Best Gate part?
Uses a growth strategy based on trust and user networks.
The referral code.
Employs clear, structured, branded codes.
Gateway.
And operates with a defined, time-sensitive campaign strategy.
The 2025, it all connects.
It's actually quite a detailed picture from such a tiny source.
It really is. And that's the point, isn't it? It shows why this kind of granular look matters. You can uncover underlying strategies, naming logic, operational thinking, just by dissecting these small pieces of information we see everywhere.
It makes you think differently about things you might normally just glance over.
Absolutely. So maybe the thought to leave you with is this. What other simple codes or names or dates do you encounter every day? Think about, I don't know, product codes, version numbers, maybe even airport gate numbers. If you applied this same kind of curious deconstruction, what hidden systems or strategies might you uncover? How much is really being communicated in those little details?